Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Enoma and welcome to our reaction to Bobby Harrison. And the song that we are going to react to is Cleopatra Jones. This is a Patreon request and this is our first time single take honest reaction to Cleopatra Jones. We like to give reactions to the music that is first time, pure. We haven't heard the song before and we are going to listen to it with the camera rolling with you guys watching us. That's what a reaction is, that's what basically we are doing, and that's what people come here to watch. If you have already heard the song or if you already have an opinion about the music, if you already enjoy it or dislike it, it won't make for a good reaction and it won't be an impartial honest reaction as we like to give. There are times when we have heard some of the popular songs, mainly it is Savio who has heard, but he mentions it in advance and he tries to keep it to himself in those reactions, and my reaction is more important in those. What I think, how I enjoy, and what is my opinion on things, he likes to hear more than what he holds for those songs. We like doing reactions and we like listening to music. Both of these things are things that we enjoy doing. As long as songs are non-controversial, as long as songs are meaningful, as long as songs are pure music, not tainted, not manipulated, not with a hidden agenda or motive behind to promote something evil is in the song. We love any song that comes across without any of these motives hidden behind. The moment we sniff or we realize that there is something that is wrong and being promoted in a song, we both don't like it. And the moment we realize it, the moment we understand what may be happening in a particular song, that's when it always is a negative review or a review that people don't like listening to. But that is how we are. If we think that the song is promoting violence, if the song is promoting woman bashing, if the song is promoting some kind of substance abuse or substance use or any kind of illegal or unethical thing through music, that is when we do not like music being misused in that way. And we are very clear and very vocal about those things. We are both here to enjoy pure music, clean music, nice music, and good music and good influence of the West to us. We both are from eastern part, we both are from India, Mumbai, and what we want to explore is pure music. We want to explore good music. We want to listen to and have a good experience, and that's exactly what we want to share. If music that comes with something hidden behind it, there are more intentions than only music that is coming across. If it is good for humanity, if it is good for society, if it is good message that music contains, it is very good and well and good for all of us. It adds value to our life. But when it does not do any of these things and it is the otherwise, that's when we both don't like it. No matter how phenomenal that song musically can be or may be, but we look past that and we see the real message that the musicians or the bands were trying to do. And that's the saddest part of listening to music as two honest reactors. Because of our honesty, a lot of times we have to bear the flack in return. Because we say those things honestly, a lot of times people in comments try to bully us, they try to belittle us, they try to mock us. Because we were honest to say what exactly we felt about the song. And it does not go down well with those label laborers, as we call them, labor, who come label workers, whatever you term them. They come and they start their rant in the comment section. They start mocking us. They start ridiculing us. They start even making fun of our background, the country we come from, the race we are, and everything, as if we don't matter and the song matters so much. But you have to draw the line where exactly you're going wrong, where exactly you're supporting something that should not be done in the first place.
I don't know if it will matter for this patron or this song
Cleopatra
or
Jones.
viewers of this song, because it might be an instrumental.
Okay, great.
So that introduction may be completely wasted on them.
Ow.
Who don't really care about such things, and their culture doesn't teach them to care about or respect other cultures. Let's get started. Wow, the vocals were outstanding in this one. Really high
Ah.
quality vocals. Wow, that was the only thing that stood out for me, unfortunately. Everything else was mediocre. The lyrics, in other words, the words of the song, mediocre, and it's what we've heard probably 1,000 songs like that. Very similar lines. And music was okay. Okay. Not even good, it was okay. But what stood out was the wonderful vocals. Outstanding vocals. Outstanding. Really high pitched all the time, sounding so good, so unique. It was refreshing to listen to. Wonderful. What are your thoughts, Kate?
I would use the word unique too. That exactly came to my mind by the end of the song. This was unique, sounded unique because of the vocals, you're right. I like the strong vocals. He had strong vocals throughout the song. It's mainly, I think, revelation of his love to his baby, and he's so much in love with her. And that's what was sung. I like the tune as well. It was mono tune, I can say, mainly one tune that was played the entire song. That's exactly was played the entire song, and with little bit variations with another guitar. But it went well with his vocals. I think the highlight they wanted to create was the vocals, and that's why the music was kept on one level, or maybe plain simple music that they created for the song. But very high quality vocals here. Nothing much in the lyrics anyway to discuss or decipher. It's all about the vocals and the vocal artistry. At some point, and this could be one of the biggest what do you call it, compliments Bobby Harrison can receive, was, for me, it reminded me a little bit of
George Harrison?
no Jim Morrison.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Little bit.
little bit. Because of the guitar tune that was playing, and with the way he was singing at certain places, there were flashes where I could remember the Doors. I don't know why, but it just occurred during the song. That's how it was. Not George Harrison. He's more gentle.
No, I'm just saying because of the name.
He's more gentle. Yeah. Of course, before we started the song itself, I said Bobby Harrison. Any connection with George Harrison, because Harrison should be a common surname, but we don't come across it that often, isn't it? Thank you for watching.